Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfi Azaria Roja. I'm from IF23C with NPM 233121156. In this video, I will tell you about the material of OS, or we known as the operating systems. The first one is understanding operating system. An operating system, or OS, is a software that acts as interface between hardware and user. It provides a platform for computer programs to run efficiently and manage all the resources of the computer system. Yeah, so OS is hardware, computer hardware, and the user. So for our programs that run on the computer, right? Like we can see there's a photo, music, maps, simple scan, software, terminal, reader, and games like Sudoku and other. Next, next is function of an operating system. The first one is resource management. The OS manages the allocation of resources such as the CPU, memory, and peripheral to ensure smooth operation of the system. So for making the computer smooth, so the function of OS is to resource management, is making the computer is smooth, run correctly and perfectly. And then number two is hardware interaction. It provides a consistent interface for software applications to interact with hardware components, abstracting the complexities of the underlying hardware. And then number three is user interface. Operating system provides a user-friendly interface, enabling users to interact with the computer through graphical elements and commands. So there's three: there's management, hardware interaction, and user interface. There's three functions of an operating system. Next slide. Okay, there is three types of there is three types of operating system. The first the first one is single tasking OS, multitasking OS, and real-time OS. Single tasking single tasking OS is it can handle only the task at a time, preferable for embedded system and simple computing device. So it can only handling one text at a time. It cannot handling many tasks. And the second is multitasking OS, capable of handling multiple tasks. Currently commonly used in the desktop, laptops, and server. So multitasking OS is he can handle a multiple tasks. So it's better than the single tasking OS. And then the number three is real-time OS, designed to manage tasks within specific time constraints, often found in the critical system like medical equipment and industrial machinery. So real-time OS is, yeah, to manage tasks with specific time constraints. Next, the evolution of operating system. In 1980s to 1960s, they are they are focused on machine leveling programming and single tasking system. So yeah, still yeah, on focus on machine level programming and single tasking system. On the 1970s to 1980s, they introduced of multitasking, time sharing system, and development of Unix and MS-DOS. And then on the 1990s to present, the graphical user interface, networking capabilities, and the emergence of Windows, Mac OS, and various open source operating systems it made. So yeah, that's the evolution of operating system. Next, next is components of an operating system. The first one is kernel. The core components that interact directly with the hardware and provide essential service for the rest of the operating system. Number two is file management. Organize and manage the data on storage devices, handling file creation, deletion, and access control. Number three is device drivers. Facilitates communication between the OS and hardware device, ensuring proper function and portability. Okay, and next one is process management. First is process scheduling. Allocate CPU time to process managing their execution and ensuring optimal utilization of system resources. And then number two is inter-process communication, facilitates data sharing and communication between processors, enabling collaboration and coordination. Number three is deadlock handling, prevents and resolve deadlock, ensuring smooth and uninterrupted operation of the system. Okay, the next one is memory management. First, memory allocation. Manage the distribution of memory space to process, optimizing memory utilization and efficiency. Number two is virtual memory. Provides an illusion of large memory space than the physical ROM, allowing efficient handling of large applications. And then the memory protection, ensuring that each process operates within its allocated memory boundary, preventing unauthorized access into interfaces. Okay, next one is file system management. First one is directory structure. Organize file and directory. The first one is directory structure. Organize file and directories in hierarchical manner, simplifying storage and retrieval of data. And then number two is file operation, enables creation, deletion, and manipulation of files, ensuring efficient data organization and access. And then number three is security measures, implements access control and exception to protect files and prevent unauthorized access or modification. Okay, maybe that's all for my material of operating system. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Alfi Azaria Roja with NPM 2331256. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.